Light penalties. Public censure or ban to keep the peace. Duty of the court to lay down. Arresto minor, 1 day to 30 days. Correctional penalties. Arresto mayor, 30 days and 1 day to 6 months. Destierro or suspension, 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. Prisión correctional, 6 months and 1 day to 6 years. Afflictive penalties, prisión mayor or temporary disqualification, 6 years and 1 day to 12 years. Next is reclusion temporal, 12 years and 1 day to 20 years, and reclusion perpetua, 20 years and 1 day to 40 years. And lastly is death. It is suspended by Republic Act number 9346.